trailers are perfect for loading all sorts of equipment. Today, we're diving into the two main options, gravity and power. Let's talk about gravity tilt trailers. These rely on the weight of the trailer's deck to operate. You can easily operate with just one person. This saves you weight and cost, but there's more to it than just price. Gravity tilt trailers have fewer moving components, making them simpler and more reliable. One unique feature is the stationary deck. The first 5 feet of the deck remain level, regardless of the trailer's total length. Key features include a GVWR of 14,000 to 16,000 pounds, a robust 2x6 tubing frame and tongue, and axles rated between 7,000 to 8,000 pounds. They come in lengths of 16 to 24 feet, with a deck height of 21 inches and widths of 83 or 102 inches. Plus, you have adjustable 2 5/16 couplers and optional upgrades like a winch, hydraulic pump, and spare tire. Now let's shift gears to power tilt trailers. Unlike their gravity counterparts, power tilt trailers use a hydraulic system to actively tilt the deck. This means easier operation and no need for manual effort to initiate the tilt. The main difference lies in how they operate. Gravity tilt relies on, you guessed it, gravity, while power tilt needs that hydraulic boost to function. But keep in mind, while the power tilt is convenient, it may require more maintenance due to its moving parts. So, which one should you choose? When deciding on a tilt trailer, ask yourself, do you want the effortless tilt of a power trailer or the simplicity and reliability of a gravity tilt? While the power tilt might seem like the obvious choice, the gravity tilt has its own advantages. Explore your needs, consider the features, and you'll find the perfect fit for your hauling needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on trailers and other equipment. See you next time.